Have you ever felt like you've been knocked down, like the world has thrown everything it has at you, and just not sure if you can get back up? I know I have. We all have those moments. Moments of doubt, of fear, of feeling completely overwhelmed. It feels like you're lost in a storm, with waves crashing over you one after another, and you can barely catch your breath. But I want you to listen to me very closely. In the heart of that storm, right there in the middle of the chaos, is where you discover a strength you never knew you possessed. It's not about avoiding the storm. It's about learning to stand firm in the wind, to face the rain, and to keep your eyes on the horizon, knowing that the sun will eventually break through the clouds. Think about a tree. It doesn't grow strong on calm, sunny days. It grows strong by enduring the wind, the rain, the snow. Its roots dig deeper. Its trunk becomes sturdier, all because it had to fight to stand tall. You are that tree. Every challenge you face, every setback you overcome, is forcing your roots to grow deeper, making you more resilient, more unshakable. Strength isn't about never falling. It's about how many times you get back up. It's about looking at a mountain in front of you and not seeing an obstacle, but a challenge to be conquered. It's about the quiet voice inside you that whispers, just one more step, even when every part of your body wants to quit. That voice is your power. So often, we compare our journey to someone else's highlight reel. We see their success, but we don't see the years of struggle, the late nights, the countless failures that paved the way. Your path is your own. Your struggles are your own. And your victories, when they come, will be all the more meaningful because you earned them. You fought for them. Don't be afraid of the struggle. Embrace it. It's the fire that forges steel. It's the pressure that creates diamonds. Every scar you carry is a testament to a battle you survived. It's a map of your journey, a story of your strength. You are not broken. You are being built. Right now, whatever you're facing, I want you to take a deep breath. Feel the air fill your lungs. Remind yourself that you are alive, you are here, and you have the power within you to keep going. You might feel weak today, but strength is built day by day, choice by choice. The choice to get out of bed, the choice to try again, the choice to believe in yourself, even when it's hard. Look in the mirror and see the warrior looking back at you. You have survived 100% of your worst days so far. That's a perfect track record. You are more capable than you know, stronger than you feel, and more resilient than you could ever imagine. The storm will pass, and when it does, you will still be standing, not just surviving, but thriving, ready for whatever comes next. So get up, dust yourself off, take that next step. The world is waiting for you to show it just how strong you are. You've got this. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more encouragement on your journey.